हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू क्रिप्टो मनी गुरु में आपका स्वागत है। सो दोस्तों, टुडे वी विल टॉक अबाउट द करंट मार्केट सिचुएशन एंड व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट biggest real opportunity for you in altcoin section, because now first Bitcoin moved and it touched to 65,000 USD, and right now it is trading around 48,000. Then Ethereum moved, then Cardano rally and Polkadot rally, and then another one major coin which is Polygon, yes, Matic. So these rallies we saw, but now the next move will be of altcoins. And first we will talk about market situation, that the market right now is at 2.23 trillion dollars and it is 4.87% down. And Bitcoin from the last many days, it is under 50,000 right now, and Ethereum is also around 4,000 or from 2,700 to 4,000 or 41,000, 4,100 it is trading around. So Cardano, we saw it just is jumped recently from 1.60 to $2.30. So if you missed all these opportunities, now it is the next move will be of altcoins, small coins. And which small coin, which altcoin you need now? Yes, now the rally will be of Polkadot. Polkadot is already very high right now, and now you need a Polkadot ecosystem coins which will run very good in future. So what are those Polkadot ecosystem coin? One of them is, first they say this, and Polkadot ecosystem. Yes, Polkadot ecosystem is Chainlink, Kosama, Ontology, 0x, Anchor, Run, RLC, Run BTC, Reef. Yes, this is the one which will make you good money, very good money, because right now Reef is around at 504 million dollar market cap, but as just few more millions, like it will go to billion or 1.5 billion. Its price will be 3 or 4x from the current price. Yes, maybe it will touch to 10 cent to 12 cent very soon, within next month or maybe in this May, if the rally will continue. And why? So now we will analyze about the Reef. Yes, Reef is, you can see it's right now it's market rank is around 128, and the price is around 4 cent, and it is down at around 7% down from the last day, and traded at its total market cap is around 502 million. And what this is Ethereum based token and also Binance smart chain based token. Second one, it's a Polkadot ecosystem token, Binance smart chain token, decentralized finance, stable coin, and this is the backbone, Ethereum and Binance smart chain already. And Polkadot's ecosystem it is based on, and group member of, you can say a group member of Polkadot ecosystem. And what is this is Reef, DeFi made easy, decentralized finance made easy, powered by Polkadot, now on Binance. Already it is getting liquidity from the Binance marketplace, and introducing Reef chain. Already they have introduced Reef chain also, and you can see future is decentralized finance built with Polkadot substrates, and Reef chain feature next generation blockchain technology. Right now it's in final stage, and very soon when it will be it will run, you will see the rally like Polygon Matic. Yes, Polygon Matic, you can see Polygon is also a Binance Chain Lab portfolio, Binance Chain Launchpad, Coinbase Venture, and Platform Enterprise Solution. And similar story here you can see in almost similar story. That is only based on Polygon, only based on Ethereum platform, and you can see here it is based on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain too, and also Polkadot ecosystem it is based on. And what other similarities you can see here? You can see the total watch list numbers, and here total watch list number of Reef, which is growing day by day, and its market cap is right now is around $10 billion, and its market cap is around only $500 million. Okay, and what is the difference? Difference is nothing. It is backed by good team, good service, and based on two contracts, Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, already listed in Binance Exchange, and Polkadot rally you already saw, and it is the group member of Polkadot ecosystem. And watch number you can see 108,000 people watching is in on people's watch list. And now we analyze the Polygon. Yes, here right now the similar price around, it is trading around here 4 cent. It was the price of Polygon, yes, Matic, where now Reef is trading. And when you can see a similar story it will create, yes, a similar story, because every business, every service, every new coin, every good new coin need some time to run, need some time to develop. Right now it's in final stage already. Reef is giving services to its customer, and once it will run, it will around, I think as per my prediction, it will touch to 30 cent within next few months. Yes, within next few months it will touch to 30 cent, as the liquidity will come, and as other exchanges will list it. And now we can see the markets of we can compare the market of Matic. Matic is on around more than around 113 marketplaces, and now we compare the markets of first we compare the chart. You can see it in January it's launched, and now here we are around at this price. It's already near to 6 cent, but right now near to 4 cent. But as per my price prediction, within few months it will touch to 30 cents very soon. And now we see the markets difference of Matic, and we are comparing the Matic and Reef rally, and it is around now at 58 marketplaces. And where the Matic was on 113 marketplaces, it is on 58 marketplaces. As the marketplaces will grow and will list Reef, it will get the liquidity very soon. People will get the opportunity to invest in this system, and Binance is the biggest one who is providing its liquidity right now. And now we come to the we come to Reef platform. Yes, this is the Reef platform. Already they have launched their own Reef chain, and based on Polkadot rally, and here we can see their complete growth. Reef roadmap, here we can see, yes, live roadmap. So the team is good, who is telling everyone and that what they are right now doing. And how many investors in this? ONG, these all are the investors who invested in Reef. And what is Reef mission? You can see Reef mission is to make DeFi made easy. DeFi easy, and this is the mission. Yes. So as per my price prediction, Reef is the right now good investment where you will get the opportunity to make 5x 10x profit very soon, and 30 cent is not far from the Reef. And you can see when they decided, everything here is here mentioned, everything. Yes, this is their current roadmap. This they have completed, this is now right now they are pending. And Reef is the good investment which will touch to 30 cent very soon, you can see. And already decentralized finance is very popular, and on these numbers people watch list it is, and how many more it need to double, you can see, in comparison with this Polygon. Yes, and Polygon's marketplace is 10 billion, Reef is only 500 million right now. So it is the biggest opportunity, you can make good money. And it will create a similar story like Cardano, because Cardano was around 1 year ago, 1 year and 2 months or 3 months ago, Cardano was around 2 or 3 or 4 cent, and Reef is same, Reef on same levels right now, around 4 cent. So if you want to get be in the altcoin rally, then go for Reef. But before investment, because it's your money, before investment do your own research and then go for investment. Okay, bye bye. Please, if you like the content, if you like the video, please share the video with your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. And please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, and make a comment also if you like the video and if you like the coin of the future. Yes, bye bye.